How to fix Spotify not playing songs on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify not playing songs on Android phone. First just open Spotify and then go to settings. Now scroll down, scroll until you find this one here, clear cache, and click on it and then click clear cache. And after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back to settings and then apps and apps again, and then type here Spotify, type Spotify and click on it and then go to storage. Now just clear cache, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.